Hey guys, what's up? It's Cliff Kennedy from WP Cliff Notes. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through and review a WordPress plugin and translation service called ConveyThis. So guys, their website is first off ConveyThis.com, and you first will log into your dashboard, and I'm going to be showing you the WordPress plugin, of course. So we will go to plugins. We will type in ConveyThis, and I already have it installed, so I'm going to activate it. And also, if you go to add new, I'll show you what the icon looks like. So we'll go to ConveyThis, and this is what it looks like. So first off, after you install it and activate it, it's going to give you this little notification that says ConveyThis plugin is installed but not yet configured. You will need to configure ConveyThis here. So you click here, and first off, you'll have to log in and have an account with ConveyThis, and have a code, an API key. So we are going to come over here, and I'm going to create an account. So I'm going to register, and we're going to type my email address, my name, you can type your password, you have to retype your password, agree to the terms, and just tell them how you heard about it. There we go. So you have to verify your email. So I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have confirmed my email. The next thing you're going to see is pick your plan. And as you can see, they do plans by words translated. So if you have a small site, this would be, the free plan would be great. And you get pretty much everything you'll need. It's a great plugin. So I'm going to select the free plan. I'm going to click select plan, and then it's going to tell me to go to dashboard. So after I do that, I'm going to copy this key. Then I'm going to come back over here to my dashboard of my WordPress install. I'm going to paste that code in. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to tell it what my primary language is. I'm in Greenville, South Carolina, so everybody around me is English pretty much, is the native language, and then the target language that I want to target extra is Spanish, because they're Spanish speaking people, and that is the most common language. I might do German, because there are some German people here in South Carolina from Germany. And I'm going to hit save. in this settings area, you can hit this advanced language, and you can keep that at yes. Hide ConveyThis logo. I would put yes. I don't want people to see that. Translate media. I would put yes if it's available. That's things for like their alt text and different things like that. Add to all pages. I would keep that checked. Customize languages. Yes. Do you want the flag rectangle? Do you want it square? Do you want circle? Or do you want it without a flag? So as you can see, it changes when I check this box. I'm going to leave it as rectangle. Also, the text, you can have full text, which would be English, Spanish, and then you can hit short text, which would give it the short, and then you can do it without text. But I kind of like the short language. It's kind of cool, but I think I might stick with full text because people can read it and different things like that. I think it's showing ConveyThis because I have more than one language. Let's see. So I'm going to click off of German. Actually, no. Let's just go here and hit German just for the sake of having two languages. And you can have it fixed or you can custom place it. If you custom place it, you have to give it a ID element where you want it to be placed. I would say give it a fixed, and I want it on the bottom. Actually, I might put it on the top. We'll see. I'll show you the difference between the two. And horizontal, I'm going to put it on the right. I'm going to leave all this default, and I'm going to leave that default, and then I'm going to hit save. And oh, it says I exceeded my language limit, so I guess you can't have, with the free plan you can only have one language. So I'm gonna hit Spanish, and there we go. So all my languages are set, everything's good. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna hit refresh, and there should be a little icon show up down here. Or no, it's up at the top like I said earlier, but I don't really like that, to be honest with you. So I'm going to put it down here at the bottom. So I'm going to come back over here to settings, hit show more options. I'm going to put it at the bottom, and I'm going to push this over to like 50 and then hit save. And refresh this, and it should be down here at the bottom. There it goes. So as you can see, all your languages are down here. If I switch, it's going to translate it all. Yeah, so as you can see, my language has been converted. Pretty much everything. I mean, it's pretty awesome. Plugin. So as you can see, everything's been translated. And if you go to another page while you're in Spanish, there we go, it's translated that page. So now that you see that, I mean, pretty much within a matter of 5 to 6 minutes, you've got this thing up and running and ready to go. We're going to click back over here to the ConveyThis, and we are going to hit login. And I'm going to log into the Convey website because I want to show you guys like what you can do and how you can translate things yourself. So let's go to wp-cliffsnotes.com and I'm going to type in my password. There we go. So as you can see, 573 words have been translated, and the total number of page views is 0. The total number of language translated is 1, and that's all you can have besides your standard language. So that's Spanish. Professional translations is an F because I'm not paying for professional. And if you go to My Translations, you can see that the home page and the About Us page have been translated. So you have different ways of translating this. So I'm going to click this visual editor, and pretty much what that does is it takes you here, and it says ConveyThis plugin was not found. Please check to see if the plugin was installed correctly. So you might not be able to use this if you're not paying for the service, because I haven't gotten this part to work yet. But I will say this, that if you go to the text, as you can see, everything here is editable. So if, for example, it doesn't look like pop-up was translated into Spanish, so if you wanted to translate that, you could. So here's different things that you can translate, which is kind of cool. You can translate it yourself. So you can come in here and translate this if that's not correct. So it's a pretty cool plugin. And like I said, it's pretty. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, and it took me all of about 5 minutes to set up. The video is a little bit long, but I just wanted to be very thorough in how I explained this. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, comment below. And again, guys, if you liked this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and have an awesome day. Talk to you guys later.